Unraveling the phrase, a jam. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into a common phrase in the English language, a jam. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it. So, let's get started. When we think of the word jam, the first thing that might come to mind is a sweet spread we put on bread. Yes, that's one of the meanings. It refers to a preserve made from whole fruits that are boiled with sugar until they reach a thick consistency. Beyond the delicious spread for your toast, a jam has other figurative meanings in English. 1. A difficult situation. If someone says, "I'm in a jam," they mean they're in a difficult or tricky situation. For example, if you forget your wallet at a restaurant, you could say, "I'm in a jam. I can't pay the bill." 2. A musical session. Musicians might gather for a jam session, which is an informal gathering where they play music together, often improvising. 3. A blockage or congestion. We can also use jam to describe something that is stuck or congested. Like in traffic, we might say, "There's a jam on the highway." To help solidify your understanding, let's see how a jam can be used in sentences. 1. After mixing strawberries and sugar, she made a delicious jam. 2. Forgetting my passport before an international flight put me in a real jam. 3. The band had an amazing jam session last night. 4. Due to an accident, there's a huge jam on the main road. And there we have it. The phrase, a jam, has diverse meanings, from a fruity spread to describing a tight spot someone might be in. Remember, context is key when figuring out which meaning is intended. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring the English language, and we'll catch you in the next one.